This is Frida. Welcome back to part 2 of how to crochet the popcorn star motif. Unfortunately, I lost my I had technical problems, so I am redoing this motif, and I have I crocheted up and I was showing, and then I lost it. So I found this yarn in my stash because I have to the yarns that I have are all in skein, and I have to put it in my winder, and I couldn't find any other yarn, so I found this. I bought one ball of yarn from yarnstreet.com, and it's Alive Diva. It's acrylic, and it feels like a cotton, so it's similar to this yarn that I'm knitting. So I'm going to continue where I left. I do apologize. The color is different, but it's turning out pretty good. But it is stiff. That's what I noticed. Like the merino wool that I am crocheting with is very soft. So I'm going to continue where I left. Okay, I did my popcorn. I did my double crochet. Okay, I did my double crochet just like this, and I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to do my double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, just here, and then I'm going to chain 2 again, and I'm going to do my double crochet on top of the double crochet, and I'm going to chain 2. And again, I'm going to do my double crochet on top of the double crochet. So we have created these cages. I'm going to call these cages to create this part. And we're going to continue on all the way up, doing the same. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Okay, so I am here. I am going to make my popcorn, my double crochet, my chain 5, double crochet, popcorn, double crochet, and then make the chain 2, double crochet on top of the double crochet. So I'm at the corner here. I'm going to automatically do my double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first time I'm using this yarn. It's very nice, actually. And it's a gray color that I picked. I only ordered one just to have the feel of it, because yeah, it's very nice. This is what it says. It's 100 gram, and it feels like cotton. And this is the color. If you want to go and buy it, I believe it's $3. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and do my popcorn, but it's not soft as merino wool. That's all I can say. Okay, I'm gonna do my double crochet and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, make a double crochet and make a popcorn, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then grab it here, and then make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. And I'm just going to repeat what we did. I'm going to make my popcorn same as here, and I'll meet you right here where we started. And we're doing this part here, and then we're going to continue doing the next row. Okay, so I finished this row and I'm going to start this part. Okay, so I did my chain 2 and I'm going to do a slip stitch or a single crochet, whichever you feel comfortable on where the chain is. And I'm going to chain 3 to go up, just like this, and I did this very close, I think. Okay, so I'm going to make a popcorn on top of the popcorn where the popcorn is, this popcorn here. This stitch, I'm going to make 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make a double crochet on top of the double crochet and then make my popcorn stitch on the where the 5 chain is, on the corner that we're making the corner. 3, 4, 5, and make a double crochet, chain 5, 2, 3, 5, and then make a popcorn. I'm sorry, make a double crochet and then a popcorn. Don't miss the double crochet. There's always a double crochet in front of the popcorn and after the popcorn. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, and we're just doing what we did on the chains. Chain 2, make a double crochet on top of the, oh yeah, sorry, we have to make a popcorn. So we did our double crochet, get rid of the chains, and make a popcorn on top of the popcorn. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, just like this. Okay, and then chain 2 on top of the double crochet, make a double crochet, chain 2, make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2, top of the double crochet, then make it popcorn. So we're repeating what we did that on the corner. Two, 3, 4, 5, then make the popcorn, and then make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, and then on the chain make a popcorn. So we're just repeating what we did, just like here, and then we're gonna do the corner and then continue on. Just repeat what we did on every corner, and I'll meet you here to start the next row. Okay, so I finished this row and I'm joining. I chain 2, and it is hard to grab that chain here. It's behind the popcorn. So I'm just going to do a slip stitch and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is how it looks like so far. So we're going to be doing this row now, this part. So we're going to make the same popcorn on top of the popcorn. Here's the popcorn, so I'm going to make my popcorn on top of the popcorn. 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab it like that. And then make a double crochet on top of the double crochet. And I'm going to make another double crochet on top of the popcorn. And I'm going to make another double crochet where the double crochet is. On the previous row we did 1 double crochet. On this row we're doing 3 double crochets, and I'm going to continue making my double crochet, my popcorn on the chain that we did the 5 chain. So we're creating here this row. If you want to see the chart, we're right here. Here on top of your 3 double crochets. And we're just going to continue repeating what we did. So we're going to do our popcorn, 3, 4, 5, go to the first double crochet, and then followed by a double crochet, and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our corner, and we're repeating what we did. So double crochet, popcorn, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then make your double crochet on top of the double crochet, make the second double crochet on top of the popcorn here, make another double crochet on top of the double crochet. So this is our 3rd double crochet, and then we're going to put a popcorn. After the popcorn, double crochet, chain 2. So we're repeating what we did here. Okay, and then we're going to chain. So continue going all the way around, and I'll meet you here to start the next row. And this is how it looks like. Okay, I am joining. I did my 2 chain, and I'm going to do a slip stitch on the 3 chain that we went up, just like that. And after 1, 2, 3 chaining, and then making the popcorn stitch on top of the popcorn stitch. Okay, so we're right here. We're right here. Now we're going to do our popcorn stitch. We're going to do 5 double crochet. We're going to do popcorn stitch, double crochet, 5 chain, double crochet, popcorn stitch, and 5 double crochet, popcorn stitch on where the popcorn stitch is. And these popcorn stitches are going to be 7 rows. We're going to do the same on top of the popcorn stitch. Okay, so my this is how it looks like on this. Looks nice. I really like it. So my my video is almost ending, and I will start part 3 on how to crochet the double of the popcorn star motif. So I'll see you back in part 3.